What is accounting?
What is accounting?
What is accounting?
What is accounting? What is accounting? What is accounting?
What is accounting?
What is accounting?
Accounting.
What is accounting? What is accounting? Accounting is a process of recording financial transaction pertaining to a business.
Accounting provides a clearer picture of your financial health of your organization and its performance.
Which can serve as a catalyst for resource management and strategic growth.
What is accounting and its purposes? Accounting is formally defined as a system for providing quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. Accounting is an information system that measures, processes, and communicates financial information about an economic entity. Accounting is a process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment decisions by users of the information. The process of consolidating the financial information is to make it clear and understandable for all stakeholders and shareholders.
Why is accounting so important? The primary role of accounting is to maintain a systematic, accurate, and complete records of all financial transactions of business.
Leader, Jana Louise Dizon, members, Mikla Josh C., Vanuna Asher. Santiago Princess May of Laza Jerem, Legencio Rivianisa, Lannis Ramona, YUTUC Maria Carmela. Merguya Lara May. We are helping you learn a lot. Thank you for watching.